இமீடியட்டாக வருது வரலீங்களா? வருது சார், வருது. அவ்வளோதான்.
இந்த இதில்
கார் தெரியுது சார்.
பாடி ரிலாக்ஸ் ஆகி
கார் தெரியுது சார். இப்போ ஓகே சார்.
made by ARP attachment in India, and this will rotate and it will throw the dust, silage on the ground. Then after fulfilling, it will hit the silage on the side. So this is the PTO operated silage harvester. PTO operated silage harvester. I'm going to show you the entire process, how it is operating. Then I'll walk you through. Edit பண்ணிடுவார்.
ஓகே.
So this is the silage harvester. We have made it in India, and then it is completely PTO operated and hydraulic operated. So what it does, it takes the PTO from the side, and then it rotates this part, implement, and everything is properly engineered, and then it'll go on the top, it'll fall on the top, and this is tipping. Okay, and then this is how the entire frame has been taken, and this is the top. This is the top where the silage been stored, and this is a implement for silage harvester. You can see the storage is done on the top for 1 ton of silage, and it is PTO operated. The PTO is in the back like this. So we have taken the PTO to the front, so it can operate in the front. So this is how we are taking the PTO power from the tractor. So this is the the lever. The two lever. One is for front up and down while traveling. Another one is for tilting the silage harvester to the ground. So this is the silage harvester made in India. Everybody can contact us, and this will go up and down. So this will go up and down so that you have clearance, road clearance while traveling on the road. So this is amazing part. Everybody who are willing to have a lot of cows must have this silage harvester at their farm. Without this silage harvester, you'll be incurring a huge amount of people for cutting and maintaining the silage. This is a silage harvester made by ARB attachment in India, tractor based. Actually this can go in the back also. We can have a back operated and front operated silage harvester. So if you want to have a better visibility, we can put this thing on the back. So this is what it is, guys. And then anybody who is willing to buy this machine, contact us. It is made here in Tamil Nadu, India, and we can export also. We can export. Just have to disassemble this part, and the export can be done very easily. And then once you get it, we can assemble it. So this is what the silage harvester. Very soon I'll be showing you the video how it has been operating. And then we just made it in our factory right here in India. So by ARB attachment. So we are putting it up here for display. So anybody who is interested can contact us. Silage harvester made by ARB attachment in India. This is the silage harvester. So it will cut, push the thing inside. It will come here. It will do the chopping, and it will go on the hood like that, and then drop on the top. Guys, Nobody else has done this implement for the cows or the buffaloes, so we have done it. Hopefully, it will be an amazing way of doing things, guys. So, if anybody is interested, do let us know, and then we'll be more than happy to put you guys in the field. So this is the PTO, and you have a lot of rooms here. The PTO can move. This will move up and down. The entire section will go up and down as per the requirement. So you have a lot of low road clearance while traveling. While harvesting, you can put it down like that and do the harvesting. Guys, this is the harvester, silage harvester.